was unexpected and sudden. I just filmed that last video just a few seconds ago, and then this guy hit completely unexpected. It was like I must have dropped it on his head, but look at that chunky guy. You got it right up through there. I seen the wind today, and water's just a little bit colder, so I didn't want to throw something fast. And I've thrown this chatterbait before, and I know that I can just absolutely slow roll it. So I figured the painted blade, we got a little dirtier water. That got me excited. All right, let's see what he weighs. Drop your guesses down below if you want to. I'm gonna say 2 pounds 4 ounces. Man, I'm good. Almost just threw my scale back in the water. Man, that got me excited. All right. All right, let's get a good release on him. There he goes.